Here's some Lowrider first mods before installing a fairing, foot pegs, and some other accessories. I installed some 8-inch risers with 1.5-inch pullback from Drag Specialties using the stock handlebars, and some Eagle Lights LED turn signal driving lights. I attached this Debbie Customs bar bag with a clear front pouch so I can slide in my phone and see it riding down the road. I have some genuine Harley-Davidson Mustache engine guards, and I'll be installing some MX style foot pegs. What you see here is the famous Edward Ritchie solid steel sissy bar with a luggage rack. I believe it's the best sissy bar made for a lowrider. It mounts between the fender and the fender struts so it doesn't look like an add-on, and it comes in black or chrome. I'll probably replace these bolts with black bolts to make it look even better. Sigsy turn signals with smoke lenses. The LEDs even look black when they're turned off. There's an awesome lay-down license plate frame under this glove. It's in another video. Yeah, I know the bike needs washed and cleaned up, but hey, I'm out riding. Now let's take a closer look at this seat.
I just wanted to show you the Saddleman step-up seat. I've been riding with this for about a month now. This is by far the best seat I have ever owned, and I've been riding motorcycles since I was 9 years old. It's comfortable, holds you in place, amazing lower back support, and it just looks great. I highly recommend this seat.
Please give me a thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe to my channel and you can see these other lowrider mods and more. And we'll take some rides down some scenic Kentucky roads.